The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is here, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. At first glance, its angular stainless steel exterior immediately sets it apart from traditional trucks. Tesla has pushed the boundaries of automotive design, giving the Cybertruck a futuristic, almost sci-fi appearance that feels straight out of a blockbuster movie. Its signature geometric lines aren't just for show. They contribute to the truck's ultra-durable exoskeleton, designed to resist dents, scratches, and corrosion over the long haul. Up close, the Cybertruck feels massive, yet surprisingly sleek. Its unpainted stainless steel body catches the light in a way that changes with every angle, giving it a constantly shifting metallic sheen. The flat surfaces and sharp edges aren't just aesthetic. They're part of a structural integrity that makes this vehicle incredibly robust. And Tesla hasn't skimped on practicality. The 6.5-foot bed, now called the Vault, is lockable, weatherproof, and features a retractable tonneau cover. It's perfect for hauling anything from construction materials to camping gear, while keeping everything safe. Step inside, and the contrast is striking. The interior is minimalist, almost zen-like, with a large horizontal touchscreen dominating the dashboard. This 17-inch display controls virtually everything, from navigation and media to climate control and vehicle settings. Tesla's latest software ensures the interface is smoother and faster than ever, while over-the-air updates mean the Cybertruck keeps improving long after you drive it off the lot. Seating is spacious, with premium vegan leather, and the cabin can comfortably fit 6 adults thanks to a redesigned front bench seat. Under the hood, or rather, under the Cybertruck's flat, armored front, Tesla offers multiple powertrain options. The tri-motor all-wheel drive variant is the most powerful, delivering a staggering 0 to 60 mph in under 2.9 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a truck of this size. Even the dual-motor and single-motor versions provide impressive acceleration and towing capacity. Speaking of towing, the Cybertruck can haul up to 14,000 pounds, putting it in line with or above many traditional pickups, while still maintaining a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge in the tri-motor version. Off-road capabilities are a standout feature. Adaptive air suspension allows the truck to raise or lower depending on terrain, providing a smooth ride on highways and serious ground clearance for rocky trails. The Cybertruck's tough, angular frame, combined with Tesla's advanced traction control and torque vectoring, ensures it can handle mud, snow, sand, or gravel without breaking a sweat. Inside the tech ecosystem, the Cybertruck also shines. Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving options are more refined than ever, offering semi-autonomous highway driving, automatic lane changes, and advanced parking features. While hands-on driving is still incredibly fun, these systems provide peace of mind, especially for long road trips or daily commutes. Connectivity is top-notch, with streaming, navigation, and real-time energy consumption monitoring all integrated seamlessly. Energy efficiency and sustainability remain core to Tesla's vision. The Cybertruck's electric powertrain produces zero emissions, and the company's commitment to long-lasting battery technology means fewer charging stops and lower maintenance compared to combustion engines. Supercharging stations are strategically placed across regions, and the 2026 model introduces faster charging capabilities, allowing an 80% charge in under 25 minutes. Visually, the Cybertruck continues to make bold statements. LED light bars run across both the front and rear, providing futuristic illumination that's both stylish and functional. Wheel options range from standard all-terrain to premium 22-inch rims, all designed to complement the truck's sharp angles. And while it's large, Tesla's clever design keeps visibility high, with cameras and sensors providing a 360-degree view around the truck. What truly makes the 2026 Cybertruck stand out is its blend of power, utility, and futuristic design. It's a truck that challenges conventions, offering performance that rivals supercars while maintaining the practicality of a heavy-duty pickup. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply someone who wants a statement vehicle, the Cybertruck delivers a unique experience that's hard to match. In short, the Tesla Cybertruck 2026 is more than a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of trucks. Rugged, fast, versatile, and unapologetically bold, it proves that electric vehicles can redefine expectations, not just meet them. This is a truck for the modern era, combining strength, style, and intelligence in one striking package.